Welcome back to the FitMenCook Kitchen. We are back in action and back filming recipes. And it is finally soup season has arrived. So if the summertime is for grilling out, I can tell you that soup season is for, the cold weather is for soup season. That's what I meant to say. And I almost love it as much as I love smoking food and smoking. Just kidding. Just that guy. Jesse, do you know the opposite of soup?
I don't.
It would be so down. Soup. So down.
No. Oh my god. So dumb.
Okay, Kevin, hurry up and get in there on this video. All right, guys, let's get started. Ooh, you ready to cook? I am ready to cook too. I love soup recipes. So the first thing we're gonna do is prep our ingredients for the soup. All right, so now we got some garlic. Let me just do a rough chops. Chop up our onion here. I like to slice mine down the middle, peel it. I'll keep this top part as an anchor. We're just gonna dice this. First, we're gonna add in some olive oil. In goes the garlic. And some of the onions. Give this a good stir. Gonna add in a pinch of salt. Draw out some sweetness from the onions. Also, we're gonna prep the rest of our ingredients. So I've got a zucchini here. You can use the whole zucchini, or you can do half of one. For our time saver, I've got this rotisserie chicken. And we're not gonna chop this up, we're just gonna pull everything apart. I'm gonna add in some chickpeas now. Add in our chicken. Booyah! Let's add in some seasoning. So I'm gonna add in some of the FitCook Land. I like just to mix everything together. Kind of lock in some of that flavor. Add in our zucchini. Pour in some chicken broth or some water. I highly recommend you use chicken broth here. A can of diced tomatoes. I use the fire roasted kinds. Sea salt, pepper. So the last bit of work here, we're gonna toss in some pitted Kalamata black olives for a little bit of saltiness. We're gonna toss in some bay leaves. Boom, give it a good stir. We are going to cover and cook this for at least 25 minutes. If you can do 30, even better. And after about 25 minutes, super comforting chicken chickpea soup. Take out the bay leaves, and this is ready to go. Man, it smells incredible. Look at this scoop. Look at all this goodness in one spoonful. Now it's time for the taste test. Have you actually had a soup with an olive in it before?
It will be a first for me to try it.
The first. Yeah. This is one of those ingredients that I feel it makes your mouth salivate, and when it salivates, you can really appreciate all the different flavors in the soup. Kind of like that electric plant that we had in Madagascar, the kimala, was it kimala or something?
Anamalau.
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 Ah, my tongue is.
Yeah, you got that.
I love this just as much as I love smoking food. How do people not like soup?
I don't know.
Like, I'm serious though. There are some people out there who actually just don't like it, and I love soup.
Feel God in the soup.
You feel God in the soup.
Yes.
Thank you. Whew, thank you, Lord.
Yes.
There we go. That's it. He just spoke. So that is it for today's video and recipe. Hope that y'all really enjoyed it. Want you to comment below how you would customize this. So whether you want to toss in some different varieties of squash, which I think would be a fantastic idea, or stick with a really nice leafy green like a spinach, or even a red chard would be really good with this. You could even do some collard greens too if you do it correctly. If you like stuff like this, I invite you to smash the like button below, and remember to subscribe to the channel, and don't leave without hitting that bell, ring, 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 or ding, 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 so that way you can be notified every time we post hot new content here in the FitMenCook kitchen. All right, feels good to be back, and even better to kick off soup season. All right, y'all, until next time, keep it healthy, but of course, never, ever boring. Boom! Bye, y'all.